What's up, guys? This is Taylor Williams from Tappy Studios, and today we are going to be sanding some cabinets, and that's what this video is about, how to sand cabinets. It could help you sand anything, actually, so we're just using cabinets as the example. So with that, you kind of know what this is about, so let's get right to it. So when you're sanding, there's two ways to do it. You can use a hand sander, which is basically garbage, or you could get technical like me, and we could use a electric sander. Yeah. Oh, hey. Whoa. Hey. Oh, what? Yeah. Or we could use this bad boy, which is what we're going to be using today. Also, remember, we're about to start standing, but I need to make sure I tell you this before you start doing anything. Take some level of precaution, especially when it's with tools and wood and stuff like that. So I think I just recommend maybe some glasses and a couple gloves, something like that. But nothing like what you're about to see. Okay, and now that we're done with all the introduction stuff and maybe that one little funny clip you just saw, let's get to the real interesting part, the part that you're all here to see, the part that we're all hyped about, the part where we do some sanding. I know you're probably not that excited, but let's go! We're done with that. As you can see, I put my safety stuff back on. I couldn't quite handle it while unscrewing cabinets. Honestly, it's unnecessary. If you don't want to wear safety stuff while unscrewing cabinets or whatever, I'm perfectly fine with that. But now, we're kind of onto something. We're getting there to where we might need it. So the next step is going to be to take all these doorknobs. See? Goes right there. And we need to unscrew all of those and stick them in a little baggie and store them. Them and their screws. That way we don't lose them and they're still there when we have to put the cabinets back on after all is said and done. So now that you know what we're doing next, let's do that, okay? Okay, so we're done with the knobs and all that, and we're done putting all those up. So now we're probably to the most important part, and the main point of this video, and that is sanding. Now one little thing before we sand is we got to set up some sawhorses and boards so we can lay the cabinets on, or the cabinet doors, on top of that so we can sand them. So, you know what? Let's just go do it, okay? Okay, so as you saw, we went ahead and put the board on, set the sawhorses up, and stuck all the cabinets on it, okay? So now that we're done with that, we're going to do the last thing, and probably the most important part of this operation or job, which is the sanding. And just a couple tips about sanding. Don't stick your hands under the sander, duh. And just make sure you change out the sanding pads every once in a while, because after you use them enough, it kind of wears off the roughness on it, and now they're basically useless. So with that, let's just go start sanding. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button down below, and if you have something to say about it, just tell us in the chat box, discussion box, whatever below. Hey, and if you like our channel, there's a little subscribe button you can click right there. Hey, and if you want to check out any of our other videos, here's some fast links right there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.